Hi everybody, my name is Julie. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to be making cheesy sausage pizza skillet with peppers, mushrooms, and cauliflower. I am going to have surgery on April 5th, and so everybody be in prayer for me. That I'm not going to be able to lift a pan or anything for 6 to 8 months. So my roommates, Robert and Renee, are going to help with my channel. So we're going to see how that goes. Tonight we're going to be making cheesy sausage pizza skillet with peppers. I don't have any mushrooms, so we're not going to do mushrooms and cauliflower. Okay, this is what we need. We need garlic, 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce, Italian seasonings, onion, salt. Oh wait, we don't need onion. I got onion in the thing. Italian sausage. I got the mild ground. Cauliflower, pepper and onion blend, and mozzarella cheese. Since I don't have anything to chop up tonight, we're just going to get on into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to brown our meat off first. I'm going to flip y'all down. So I forgot to do my end of my segment. So my dinner turned out really good. Everybody liked it. They said maybe it would be better if it was beef. I do have the pictures of the final product. My kitchen is cleaned. I'm now going to sit down and watch The Masked Singer. So anyway, y'all have a good night. See ya, bye.